What's up guys, it's Saba from SOS Kitchen, and today we're making esquites. Esquites is basically elotes, or Mexican street corn, cut off the cob. It's equally delicious and so much easier to shovel in your mouth, which is why I especially love it. As always, the recipe will be in the description box below. To start out, we're going to trim the kernels off a couple cobs of corn. If corn is not in season, or if you want to be a little lazy today, go ahead and use frozen corn, but fresh corn really makes this dish pop. In a large bowl, I place a wet paper towel down on the bottom and a smaller bowl on top of that. Resting your corn cob on the smaller bowl, trim the kernels off the cob. I think that this is the easiest and least messy way to do it, but as long as you get it done, that's all that matters. Once the corn is off the cob, melt some butter in a large skillet. Extra points if it's something you can serve the corn in, because that makes this a one-pot dish. Add in some minced garlic and sauté it until it's fragrant. Pour in your corn along with a little bit of salt and pepper and cook it, stirring until the corn is nice and bright yellow. Add in some sliced scallions and take everything off the heat to let the scallions soften up in the residual heat of the pan. Let the corn mixture cool for 10 minutes before adding in your mayo, chili powder, cilantro, and cotija cheese. Cotija is a hard Mexican cheese, and it's kind of like Parmesan or feta, but not as briny. Stir everything together and then add in some lime and habanero sauce. Taste it, and if it needs more lime or salt or heat, add it in. You're eating this, not me. To garnish, I just sprinkled a little bit more cheese, scallions, and cilantro on top and served it right out of the pan. I love this dish because it's so easy to make and it packs so much flavor. Try it out for your next barbecue and enjoy elotes without getting corn stuck up all on your teeth and cheese all over your face. This recipe can be served hot, cold, or room temp, and it's equally delicious. Please subscribe to Sweet or Savory Kitchen, and thanks for cooking with me again. Bye.